Hey, baby.
You are like a kid.
Normal for babies, but not like, but
Not the same as
probably since she's in the womb.
really good.
Oh, too much, Mom.
Yeah, too much.
No,
She backed up.
That's good.
Lylia. Hi, big girl. Hey, honey.
Hi, cutie.
They're like, look at all these people looking at me. Look at all these people looking at me. She is so strong.
Stuck her tongue right out.
Yeah, she is.
She's like holding her own head up.
Is she really?
She is so strong.
Oh, jeez. I know, like newborns or babies. Oh, look at that.
I'm snapping.
Yawning.
I want to get a smile.
I'd be like, first yawn, first fart.
See you.
Oh, that was so cute. Did you hear it?
Yeah. What happened?
She sneezed.
You're fine, Andrew.
Can you smile? Can you smile for mommy? Can you smile?
Wow. You are like the king.
That'd be cool to put on the internet.
Yeah.
How long are we gonna stay?
For BJ.
Like, I'm just saying.
Yeah, we should be able to.
No.
It'll just take a while to download.
When I say it. Your brothers.
That's fine.
Just chill.
Oh, really?
She just burped.
So what do you think? I'm gonna move to North Carolina.